Sometimes you have two images that would look amazing together, but actually combining them neatly can be frustrating. That's where Canva's Magic Layers comes in. Magic Layers is designed to turn a flat design into an editable layout, which means Canva can separate elements so you can move them around, tweak them, and make the final design feel much more polished. So I had these two images. One is of a circus performer and the another one is of this tightrope walker. On their own, they look fine, but I wanted to bring them together into one scene, something that actually looks intentional, not just pasted on top. So how can we use Canva's new magic layers to achieve this result? First, go into your Canva dashboard, click on Magic Media and create the images you want for your scene. For this example, I have already created these two images, one of a circus clown and another of the tightrope walker. Now select the image of the tightrope walker, click on Edit and then choose Magic Layers. Once you do that, Canva will automatically separate the image into different layers. This is where things get interesting, because instead of working with a flat image, you now have control over individual elements. From here, go ahead and remove any elements you don't need for your composition. Take your time here because cleaning up your layers will make the rest of the process much easier. Now, I'll repeat the same process for the second image. Click on Edit and then Magic Layers. Again, remove anything that is not necessary. At this point, I now have the key elements I want to work with from both images. Next, I'll place the first image onto the canvas. This is where we start building depth and structure in the scene. What I want is for the clown to be in the foreground and the tightrope walker to sit naturally in the background. So now, I'll take the second image, which already has the magic layers applied, and begin positioning it within the scene. To get more control, go into Layers and click on Show Layers. This allows you to see exactly how each element is stacked. Now I'll position the tightrope walker in the center. At the moment, you can see that he appears in front of the fire, which breaks the illusion. So what I need to do is adjust the layer order. I'll move him behind the fire and you can immediately see the difference. Now the scene starts to feel more realistic. You may need to go back and forth between layers here just to find the right balance and positioning. Once the placement looks better, I'll start working on the scale. I'm going to reduce the size of the tightrope walker slightly so that he appears further away from the clown. This small adjustment makes a big difference in how the depth is perceived. If needed, you can group elements together to make resizing easier without affecting their alignment. For example, you might keep the rope in place and only adjust the size of the tightrope walker. Now I'll fine-tune the overall placement, adjusting the clown, the fire elements, and the background so everything feels cohesive. Take your time during this step because this is where your composition really comes together. To make the scene look even more natural, I'll adjust the color of the tightrope walker. Go into Adjust and tweak things like saturation, tint, and temperature. This matches the lighting and the color tone of the circus scene, making the final result look more seamless. Once that is done, I'll slightly increase the size of the clown to reinforce that he is the main subject in the foreground. At this stage, you can continue making small adjustments, whether it's position, size, or color, until everything feels balanced. And just like that, we have taken two completely separate images and combined them into one cohesive scene using magic layers. This is a simple example, but it shows how powerful this feature can be when it comes to building compositions quickly. In upcoming videos, I'll show you more advanced ways to use this so you can create even more detailed and creative designs. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.